Friday had some crazy transition malfunction this past weekend, and I was just really trying to get into anything.
Okay. Were you going to be putting any cash down?
Yes, it's me
Gotcha. And are you able to come in today?
today because I don't get off until 4:30, but I think I'm there on Friday.
On Friday? Okay. Yeah, sure. Let's see here. So I can put you down for Friday. If you want, what I can do is I can send you a credit app. That way you can complete and fill it out for me. And then once you finish that, I can gather all your documents. And then Friday we can have you come in, have you look at some options, test drive. And then which one you like, you can send me over to the bank and go from there.
Okay, perfect. That works.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to shoot you a message with our address, with my first and last name. So that way you can contact me on that number as well.
Okay, perfect.
Alrighty, madam.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.